Hi, guys. Welcome to another session of Sip and Speak Legal. Of course, ngeskwazi ukusipha speak if singasiphi. So, today's topic is child maintenance. We decided ukuthi ngizokhuluma nge-child maintenance, and I think that what inspired this was kind of my video kade ngiwabona, guys, on TikTok, on Instagram. I've been seeing a lot of videos of parents being caught. Yes, I don't know. Oh, yeah, parents being caught in quite unfavorable, compromising situations where bebanjwa, be allegedly be, and their reasons are always that ukuthi they're unable to provide for iy'ngane zabo and they need the stuff. And uyabona nezinto abay'ntshontshayo ukuthi izinto zey'ngane. So really, truly, they need lezi zinto ukuze bakwazi ukuthi banakekele abantwana babo. I'm not saying it's right. I'm not saying I'm agreeing with it or whatever, but I'm just saying, Wuti, this is the topic. This topic was inspired by that. So I'm just going to go through the boring stuff regarding child maintenance, and then after that, take us back to So, firstly, for each child maintenance claim, ungayiloja or ungakwazi ukuthi wenze application ye-child maintenance e-magistrate court, but you'll just need to confirm magistrate court yangakini. You approach the court, gcwalisa i-application yakhona, provide ama-documents ozowadinga. Ama-documents ozowadinga lapho, you will need, this is not a closed list. If you close this, please visit the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development website here. They provide in detail the list of the documents that you'll need. They even give you like a guide, or they explain the process that you'll need to follow. And they also give you the different ways of receiving child maintenance or paying child maintenance. So you can visit that site for more details. But in general, or in short, the documents that you'll require, you will need your ID, a copy of the ID, a copy of the ID, yomzali that you're claiming from. If you don't have my details of yomzali, fine. But you'll need my details. Why are you having children with umuntu? Oh my word. Why are you having children with umuntu ongazobona i-ID yakhe? Okay, but no, it's fine. And just a disclaimer, guys, this is not any form of legal advice. If you need legal advice, please consult with ummeli wakho or visit the magistrate court. This is just for information purposes. So yeah, you'll just need details of the parents that you're claiming from, your details, details of umntwana, documents, financial documents as it relates to iy'dingo zey'ngane. So it could be imali yamalume, school fees, uniform, ukudla, ama-trip, noma ikuphi. Of course, it depends on the standard. So standard umntwana wakho aphila kusona and what that other parents can provide. So abanye abazali, they can only provide or pay 2,000, 1,500 inyanga. Some parents can provide 10, 20,000. So depending on what you assume, just look at your lifestyle and what the other parents can provide. And then we'll figure out with that information and claim my expenses. So that's what you can claim. The process is quite simple. It's simple, but it is, in practice, it does take long sometimes, depending on each case. So the process, child maintenance, is that firstly, we are magistrate's court, got some form, share my documents, bakunikeze i-dates ozofika ngayo enkantolo, ozobuya ngayo enkantolo, and they serve a summons on the other parents, naye bamazise ukuthi kufuneka afike ngalolu suku oluwukuthi. Once both parents, both parties are there, you guys appear before child maintenance officer. Ooh, Jesus, yes. Child maintenance officer.
Advice for you guys: no matter what you are going through, no matter what the circumstance is,
you appear before this dude, and then also nizosho ukuthi, okay, do you guys agree on this amount, on what amount? If you don't agree on that, on a certain amount, imathako goes to the magistrates in court. So once it's before the magistrates of course will look at the evidence, will look at all the facts we matter, and then make a decision from there. Please note, guys, please do not be there talking about how he left you for 18. Please, no, we're not there for that. How he left you for your friend. No, it's not about that. It's about imalengana. So do not be emotional. Don't be emotional. To benefit yourself, don't be emotional. Just stick to funani for ingane and keep it pushing. So once you get that order, and then manjege, it's time to decide ukuthi imali uzoyithola kanjani. You can either get imali via inkantolo, where the parents, lo mina akhokhe maintenance, pays inkantolo, and the parents that claimed maintenance collect imali from inkantolo. Or you can either nikhokhelane directly, excluding inkantolo. And then the other option is where imali is ithathwa from umholo walo mzali. So the money is taken directly from the employer, and it appears we payslip yakhe, which is what I always suggest, guys. Ngiyazi ukuthi sometimes we're a bit toxic, sifuna ukuthatha le option yokuthi akhokhe directly ukuze mengakhokhanga kuleyo nyanga uzomfolela uThuki. No, but okubalekile la ukuthi uthole imali engane. So I would always suggest ukuthi imali ibambe directly from umholo wakhe, just for peace sake. And then once imali usuyitholile, just nje other legal facts relating to the process. Every year you can visit the the magistrate's office every year. So because of inflation, umzali, you know ukuthi imali yamalume yanyuka, imali yesikole yanyuka, uniform, ukudla, every year nje yanyuka. So you can also apply to increase the child maintenance yearly. And also, you don't have to be under 18 to claim child maintenance from your parents. Someone who's over 18, for example, also varsity, a 19-year-old, 20-year-old, also varsity, and there's a parent only, you as that child can approach the court and ask for your child maintenance from your parent directly. You don't need the other parents to make that application. You can approach inkantolo yourself and then claim your child maintenance from your parents. And also, if it happens, you claiming child maintenance from the one parent, and you find child maintenance, which is, then remember you can also claim child maintenance from the child's grandparents. So from that guy or girl's parents, the child's grandparents. So from that guy or girl's parents, the child's grandparents. To claim. I'm sorry, guys. Yes, but no one is safe. No one is safe in law.
Hayi uthini manje mzukulu?
Yakhanda manje. Hey.
Sidinga imali engane. So yeah. Ukuthi umdala ukuthi umncane funa ukuwondla at the end of the day. Ingane don't need excuses. Wash up health. Kids don't eat. What? Kids don't eat excuses. What you done? Kids don't eat excuses. Kids need ukudla, they need shelter, etc. So ukuthi umdala ukuthi umncane egcineni faneke ingane yondliwe. So if it happens ukuthi umuntu wakho or your ex yakho whatever akwazi ukuthi afford ukukhokhela child maintenance, then definitely you can claim from grandparents. And also, guys, just a final one. You can claim child maintenance from your husband or your wife. You guys are married, living under the same household, the same house, but maintaining, and you can literally claim
Shambe. Hey guys, ngiyazi ngizothi ngiyaqova and ngiyathanda ukukhuluma and shame ngiyathanda, but
no hard feelings. It's not personal. It's not personal. That's the thing. People just want to be emotional. It's not personal. Usenhlala endlini nishadile ni happy nithatha ama trips kumnandi mengayondli ingane akayondli. Sizohlangana enkantolo ngisho ngihamba no2 imoto eyodwa nenkantolo ngoba phela afuna ukukhokhela ingane ngane i-score afuna ukukhokhela ingane. So even if uthiwa nihlala under the same roof nengane and akayondli, Ngizoyinkantolo, it's not personal, guys. It's not personal. It's really never that. It's not that deep. Ndiyaqala nje imali engane. So that's, yeah. I think that's the last legal fact that I wanted to share with you regarding a child maintenance. And yeah, and just to, as a side note, this is not anything legal. This is just in J. Me and you talking, woman to woman, woman to man. Guys, yekani ukuthola iy'ngane nabantu abangenamali. I'm not saying I'm here trying to promote gold digging, whatever. No.
How to handle dating a broke nigga. You don't. You don't even attempt. Go. Fire. You don't even. Which question is this one? I don't like it. I don't. How? God. How do you handle dating a broke? You don't do it. You run. Run for your life. Run. Why are you running? You're running for your life. God.
No. But more than nomuntu, and you're engaging in certain activities that might result in offspring, please make sure ukuthi assess financially. Assess, is this person able, will this person be able to provide for lingane?
Guys, ngiyacela bandla sizame by all means ukuthi sibe la.
If I was who provided our yena, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it with that activity. Stop it. But if you're assessing impela umuntu wakho, and ungagcini ngoku-assessa yena kuphela, assessa nama-grandparents. If yena akwazi uku-afford, if uyajola una 16, 18, nomuntu wakho noba uthi una 16, 18, andisebenzi, buka abazali bakhe. Umbuke yena, is there even a possibility of financial stability in the future? Like why are you having ingane namaphara? Why? Honestly, ask yourself that. Since I do better decisions in general. This is just, it's not legal. This is just me coming to you. Skulu much. Please, enzani better decisions. Not like this in the streets. It's not it at all. So yeah, I hope Ubuti, the session was helpful, guys. I hope it was helpful. I hope it's abaningi ukuthi you don't have to resort to criminal activity. You don't have to. Zikhona iy'ndlela zokuthola usizo, zizame. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but try. Because ekugcineni ungazami kwakho lokhu ucomplain ufanele uba wengane umthuka, it's not going to help you ekugcineni. At the end of the day, imali kumele akhokheliwe, ingane kumele idle, ingane kumele iye esikoleni, umthuka wakho uyikhokhele yonke leyo nto. So visit your nearest magistrate court. I know sisibakhona bayadelela bayisa, but khohle leyo nto, just keep your eye on the prize. Keep your eye on the prize and get imali for ingane yakho. I hope this was helpful, guys. Ngizonibona on our next session. Ngisazobona kuqala ukuthi what's going to inspire that session, which area of law.